Hello, everyone. The date is currently November 23rd, 2019. My name is Ryan Rosani, and a little bit about myself. I live in Norwalk, California. Uh, I have a fiance and will be to be married next year in March. Uh, my occupation, I am a critical care nurse currently at PIH Whittier. I've been doing it for about 5 years now. Um, I applied for UNE due to prerequisites required for a graduate program that I am attempting to apply to for CRNA school, and that's called Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist. Um, so those are my primary reasons for applying for these classes, but uh, as a nurse, we are committed to lifelong learning, so I do believe that these classes will, in the long run, also be very beneficial to me in my occupation and whatnot. Um, but yeah, that's a little bit about myself, and I'm looking forward to a great year with everyone in this class and my professors. So, um, cheers to a great year, and hopefully we can all get through it.